Let me show you how to use Apple's new Center Stage feature on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max and iPhone Air. And this feature automatically expands the field of view when you're in selfie mode and one or more of your friends want to join the shot. And in this demonstration, I'm just using a face mask. I don't know if you recognise this person, but it is indeed a former Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Boris Johnson. So without further ado, let me show you how to use Center Stage. Now in this scenario, you've got your friend, or in my case, I've got Boris Johnson who's trying to get into my camera shot, but the field of view is not expanding. And that's because you need to have the Center Stage icon at the top of your camera on. So you need to tap on that icon and then turn auto zoom and auto rotate on. But it actually works if you've just got auto zoom on. But I think the auto rotate function just helps you if you're moving around, helps to keep it centered. And now, if someone else comes into your shot, it zooms out like that. There you go. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more help guides to come.